Following up on a new state employee whistleblower law passed a year ago, the South Dakota Attorney General and Auditor General are now providing an update on the work they have done.
Beth Warden breaks down the investigations and why some are calling the program a success.
Within the Attorney General's office is the Public Integrity Unit. Within 2 days of receiving a tip, their department is following up on concerns about the conduct of a state employee. Marty Jackley breaks down the tips and investigations since the law went into effect.
47 reports associated with the portal. I think it's important to recognize that with respect to every one of those 47 reports, none of them were deemed false or inappropriate. 30 of those reports were sent off for administrative action.
A few were very serious.
But 4 have resulted in criminal indictments.
The tips came predominantly from the Department of Corrections and Social Services. Other departments, however, were also investigated. The Attorney General notes that most of the 14,000 state employees are honorable and want to keep their departments free from what Jackley refers to as a few bad apples. Eric Olila from the South Dakota State Employee Organization agrees.
And that's why the SDSU supported those bills that bill last session was, we don't need that. We want good employees. We want people taking care of the state taxpayers' business. Yeah, we want them taking care of the employees. We want them compensated. We want them to get raises every year. We want their health plan to get better, not worse. But those are for good employees. We don't want any bad employees.
The program aims to ensure that the hard-earned money that South Dakotans pay for state employees isn't squandered or used for ill gain. Although tipsters are not anonymous, Jackley assures their protection. He thanks the state employees and asks that they continue to report concerning activity. He also adds that managers are mandated to report any concerns brought to their attention as well.
Continue to do the right thing to make that report, to ensure that we protect that employee, and we will address them appropriately.
The Attorney General's report was provided to the Government Operations and Audit Committee to review. In Sioux Falls, Beth Warden, Dakota News Now.